video, you will learn how to track conversion in Google Analytics 4. In GA4, we have 3 different conversion type. First one is predefined conversion. Next, we have new conversion based on existing events. And third, we have new conversion based on new events. A predefined conversion. To see predefined conversion, you have to go to configure section of your GA4 and you have to click on the conversion, and there you go. So purchase is the predefined conversion for web. If you activate your GA4 for application 2, you'll have more option here. Creating new conversion based on existing events. So we have to check out the list of existing events in our GA4. We'll go to again to configure section, and then we'll check out the event section. So these are the list of the events that you already have on your account. When you open up the GA4, you will have these actually events on your account. So if you want to make any of this event count as a conversion, you have to just simply switch this toggle on. So for example, if I want to check out, and I don't know if the scroll is very important to me, I just can toggle it on and it will count as a conversion in reports that you will check. Talk about the new conversion based on new events. This is the most important type of conversion because it has the flexibility to create any kind of event based on your need. And to be honest, it's more about creating the event, because making the event and counting it as a conversion, it's just one simple switching toggle, and as I showed you before, it's so simple. So let's go and create a new event. So we'll go to configure section of Google Analytics. We have the events here. As you know, these are the built-in events in your GA4. For example, we have the page view here. It will count every page view. So let's say I have a form in my sign up form in my website, and I want to count how many people actually signed up. And when they fill up the form, the next page is a thank you page, and it has the thank you on its URL. So for that, I want to count page views that contains that thank you. So I'll go to create event, and as you see, I already create that event. So the name is called thank you page, and the event name is page view. It doesn't need to be capital, and it will count every page view until here. But the condition is the page location contains thank you. So it will count everything as the page view, because I already copy the parameter from the source event, which is the page view, and it will count those page views that contains thank you. So I have created this event here, as you can see, and it's called thank you. So I will copy the name here, and I will head back to conversion, as you can see here, and there you go. So I already created that. You have to just click on new conversion event and paste the name of the event you created, which I already did here, as you can see, and toggle it as a conversion. So this is how you can create new conversion based on new events, and you can create tons of new events based on what people search and different things. There are parameters that you can create new events, and Google Analytics has document for that. I will link that in the description. Based on that, you can create new events and create those new events as a conversion.